In this question, we are given a large square whose area is 3 and a small square which is inscribed in the large square. The area of this small square is 2 and we are given 4 congruent triangles. If you look carefully, all these 4 congruent triangles are right triangles because this is 90 degree. Yes, this is also 90 degree. All these 4 congruent triangles are right triangles. Yes, congruent means their respective sides are equal, right? See, this hypotenuse of all the 4 congruent triangles, right triangles, is same because this is side of a square. Similarly, the long side, that is y, is equal to the long side of rest of the congruent triangles. This is y, this is y, correct? Similarly, the shorter side of all the right triangles will be same. So this will also be x. Yes. And what do we need to find out? We need to find the ratio of x is to y, the ratio of length of shorter side to the longer side of the right triangle. Okay. So let's see what we can do. Let's start from the very basic. Side times side gives us the area of square. Yes, this is the area of square. So what will be the side of any square? It is square root of area. Correct? Now, let's find the side of larger square. Larger square. What will be the side? Side will be square root of 3, which is root 3. This will be the side of large square. What will be the side of small square? Let's see. The side of small square will be under root area, that is under root 2. Square root 2. Okay. Now this is the basic that we have written now. After this, let's find out the area of 4 congruent triangles. What will be the area of 4 congruent triangles? This will be area of larger square, that is 3, minus area of small square, that is 2. So what is the area of 4 congruent triangles? This is 1. Okay. Now if 1 is the area of 4 congruent triangles, what will be the area of one congruent triangle? Area of one congruent triangle will be 1 by 4 because the triangles are congruent, their areas will be equal. So area of one congruent triangle will be 1 by 4. Fine. Now what we will do, we will use the formula of area of triangle. Let's see. So this is the area of right triangle, that is half times base times height. Let's apply this formula for this blue right triangle that is given in the question. So area of blue triangle will be half times base is x, times y is the height. This is equal to 1 by 4. Why 1 by 4? This is one of the congruent triangles and we have seen that area of one congruent triangle is 1 by 4. So solving this, we will get xy is equals to half. Yes. So please keep this thing in mind. We will be using it later on. Apart from this, there is one more important thing that we can see in the figure. What is that? Look at the figure. If you look carefully at the top side of the large square, this is nothing but x plus y. The side of large square is x plus y. Yes, x plus y gives us the side of large square. Large square. Okay. So what is the side of large square? Root 3. Let's write it down. These are the two important things that we have found out till now. Let's see what we can do ahead. Please understand that there can be multiple methods to solve this question. I'm sharing my method. You can share your method through comments box. So after this step, what I did, I squared both the sides of this equation. Okay. That means it will give us x plus y whole square is equals to root 3 whole square. Correct. Now let's solve this. What we will get? X square plus y square plus 2xy is equals to 3. Okay, I used an algebraic identity here. What is that algebraic identity? A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. I use this identity. Okay, let's solve this further. We will get x square plus y square. Now I'll be using the value of xy that I found in the beginning. This xy is half. So let's write it down as half is equals to 3. Solving this further, we will get x square plus y square is equals to 2. Okay. Now this equation is also very important for us. We will see how. After this step, what I did, I used one more identity, algebraic identity, which is a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Let's see how this will be useful. So x minus y whole square gives us x square plus y square minus 2xy. So x minus y whole square is equals to, what is the value of x square plus y square? That is 2. What is the value of xy? That is half. Correct? Now solving this, what we got? We got 1. That means the value of x minus y is 1. Okay. Let's just put it in a box so that we know this is important for us. Okay. Now these are the few important equations that we have found out. Let's see how we can use these equations to find the answer. Let this be first equation and let this be second equation. Now what we can do, we can add first and second equation. If we add first and second equation, what we will get, y and y will be cancelled and we will get 2x is equals to root 3 plus 1. Further, if we solve, we will get x is equals to root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, now we can substitute this value of x in one of the equation, either first or second. Okay, if we substitute this in second equation, I substituted this in second equation, we will get y is equals to x minus 1, which is root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. From here, we will get the value of y as root 3 minus 1 upon 2. Okay, let's put it in a box. Now we have found out the value of x and y, which we need to find the ratio of x's to y. Correct? Pretty long question. Yes? Yes, it is. It is a long question. So what will be the ratio of x's to y? The ratio of x's to y will be root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. But we can still simplify this. Why? Because our denominator is not a rational number, correct? So we can rationalize it. We can rationalize this further. Okay. So after rationalizing, I guess you can do it on your own. For rationalizing, what you do? You multiply the numerator and denominator with root 3 plus 1 and root 3 plus 1. So once you rationalize it, the most simplified answer for x is to y will be 2 minus root 3. This will be our final answer. This will be our final answer for ratio of x is to y.